Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Stimulus. Stimulus means thing or event that evokes specific functional reaction. For example, areas of the brain which respond to auditory stimuli. Areas of the brain which respond to auditory stimuli.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. In patients with primary sodium retention, the afferent stimuli are suppressed. Now, repeat after me. In patients with primary sodium retention, the afferent stimuli are suppressed. The second exemplar. The neurogenic stimulus did not alter albumin exudation in any group. Now, repeat after me. The neurogenic stimulus did not alter albumin exudation in any group. The third exemplar. However, the primary stimulus for cytokine secretion during cardiac illness remains unknown. Now, repeat after me. However, the primary stimulus for cytokine secretion during cardiac illness remains unknown.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The following sentence contains all 26 letters of the alphabet. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. This sentence is often used to test typewriters or keyboards.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.